Hello. In this video, we are going to go over solving using the definition of the derivative. If you are given f of x and you are told to solve using def of derivative, the formula that you're going to need to use is the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. That is it. That's how you solve these problems. Not too bad. So I know it seems a little be like, what does that mean, Aaron? I don't know what that means at all. Well, it's just direction. We're going to make a lot more sense as we jump into it right now. First thing I need to do, because the directions are solve using, derive using def of derivatives, right? So that means I need to find an f of x. F of x is easy. It is what I'm told. Negative 2x plus 5. Easy. Next, I need to find f of x plus h. This gets a little more difficult because as we can see, well, f of x plus h just means x is replaced by x plus h. That's it. So all I need to do is replace my x with the parentheses and add an x plus h. That's it. Then we're going to jump straight into it. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x, which is this guy, f of x plus h, which is that guy, minus f of x, I used parentheses before we distribute and clean up, all over h. Let us clean up. Distribute the negative 2 to see we have negative 2h, to negative 2x minus 2h plus 5. Distribute that negative sign to see we have a plus 2x minus 5. What you may have noticed just now is that we have some terms that cancel now. We are going to combine like terms, but if you notice, they perfectly cancel. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So what is left? The limit as h approaches 0 of negative 2h over h, which means we can cancel the h's because they're like terms, right? Simplifying a fraction. The limit as h approaches 0 is negative 2. Thus, the limit or this answer using the definition of the derivatives, the derivative of this using the definition of derivatives is negative 2. So we would say f prime of x is equal to negative 2. Woo! That was fun. Let's do another one. Cool. Let's do purple. All right. Again, solve using the definition of the derivative. That means I need an f of x and f of x plus h, please. First, we do f of x. Nothing changes. Everything stays the same. F of x plus h. Every time I see an x, I replace it with an x plus h. Okay? Now, be careful with this. I'm going to clean this up here, not because it'll just be easier here. When you do this, you must make sure that we've covered this in the foiling video. You write out x plus h squared twice, right? X plus h times x plus h. Make sure you distribute your negative 5, and then we'll continue. We will FOIL this, x squared, right? Plus 2xh. I'll just do it the long way. So we'll distribute x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared, negative 5x minus 5h minus 2. And then finally distribute this negative 4 and combine those terms. This will be 2xh, negative 4x squared minus 2xh minus 8xh minus 4h squared minus 5x minus 5h minus 2. Okay, now derivative. Definition. Limit as h approaches 0 of whatever. Negative 4x squared minus 8xh minus 4h squared minus 5x minus 5h minus 2. Woohoo! All right, minus f of x, negative 4x squared minus 5x minus 2 all over, we're going to need a straight line for that one, all over h. Okay? We got to simplify the x's, cancel out that denominator on that h. Just, we're going to take the numerator, we're just going to do it. Negative 4x squared minus 8xh minus 4h squared minus 5x minus 5h minus 2. All of it brought down. Distribute this negative sign. Let's do a different color, please. Distribute this negative sign. So we get positive 4x squared, positive 5x, positive 2. And you can see right now, we're going to be able to cancel. And this is what is going to help us get rid of that h on the denominator. Negative 4x squared cancels with positive 4x squared. Negative 5x cancels with positive 5x. Negative 2 cancels with positive 2. Let's rewrite what we have left. Don't forget your limit. Oops. All right, get your limit. H approaches 0. Write it again. Limit. H approaches 0. Rewrite it. Negative 8xh minus 4h squared minus 5h all over h. What do we notice? There's a GCF on the numerator. So we're going to GCF that. And we see I can pull out an h. What's left? Negative 8x minus 4h minus 5 all over h. The h will now cancel. Let's rewrite, clean up. H approaches 0. No more denominator. Therefore, I can properly apply this 0 and plug it in. Negative 8x minus 4 times 0. Wrote that gross. 0 minus 5 turns into negative 8x minus 5 as the answer as f prime of x, solving using definition of the derivative. Easy stuff, right? Easy stuff, not the most fun, but not too bad when you deal with the method that we were dealing with. Find f of x, get your corresponding f of x plus h, clean up f of x plus h and f of x in the numerator, cancel everything that you can, and that should get you to where you need to be. Other than that, if there's another type of question you would like me to solve using the definition of derivative, please just send me an email and I'm more than happy to do so as always. Hope everyone has a great day.